So he's got some of his own skin coming through.
Sandi Saunier knows her way around a needle, and not just the kind you typically expect in a hospital.
It's a knowledge of what the pigment can actually do to the skin.
A surgical nurse at Eagle Ridge Hospital, Saunier began tattooing breast cancer survivors 13 years ago. And now, through the hospital's foundation, she's expanding her skills to help patients recovering from cancers of the face, neck, and throat.
I usually will have a consult with them first. I match their colors perfectly on their face, and I mix and match. I've got probably 30 different colors I can use and blend together till I get the perfect color. The cancer is gone, but the downside to that is they're left with quite a traumatic mark on their face that every time they look in the mirror, it's a reminder that they've had cancer.
The Facial Aesthetic Medical Tattoo Program at Eagle Ridge Hospital operates 2 days per month and is available to cancer patients throughout the Lower Mainland free of cost with referral by a surgeon. For many patients, this procedure can be the final step in their recovery journey.
The tissue is healthy underneath, so I'm very happy with it.
Those like Malcolm Matheson, whose skin cancer led to the removal of his carotid gland. His surgeon grafted skin from his arms onto his face.
There's an old song called Bad Bad Leroy Brown. The song says, and old Leroy looked like a jigsaw puzzle with a couple of pieces gone. And that's kind of how I felt, like somebody had taken a part of my face off. I was pretty reluctant to, I'm not a tattoo guy.
Saunier tattooed Matheson 3 years ago, and he's due for a touch-up session this fall.
It restored a lot of the color to my face that had gone as a result of the skin graft. And even though it still was noticeable, it was not as difficult to look at.
Their feedback to me is what keeps it going, because they're the ones that say it's made a dramatic difference. They can look in the mirror, not have a constant reminder that they're a cancer survivor.
A dramatic difference from a tattoo that takes away a mark instead of leaving one. In Port Moody, Cecilia Hua, City News.